Hi, and welcome back to the Grizzly Templates channel. In this video, I'll show you how to build a Notion CRM template where you can manage clients on a sales pipeline with related tasks and meetings. So the final Notion CRM that we will build will help you manage all your clients with related details and visualize and manage tasks and meetings. And the CRM that I'm currently showing is part of a bigger Notion Freelancer dashboard, which is a system for freelancers and small business owners to manage all tasks, projects, marketing, clients, finances, and more inside Notion. I'll provide the link in the description so you can check it out. Let's get started with building our CRM. The first step is to create databases. Just press the plus key, type the databases as the page name, and go inside. The first database we are going to create is for the clients. Press / start typing database, select full page database, and give it the name clients. Add properties such as email, phone, website, status, and source. Add different options for status such as awareness, contacted, negotiations, won, and lost. For the source, add options like Instagram, referral, threads, website, etc. Add a new template with an icon and set it as default. We will edit it later once we have other databases in place. Next, let's add a database to keep track of interactions. Add properties such as date, interaction type, and meeting status. For interaction type, add options such as video call and email. And for the meeting status, add options like held, scheduled, and no-show. Add another property, a relation to our client's database. You can limit this relation to one page only, and make sure to toggle two-way relation. Add a new template with an icon to our interactions database and set it as the default. The next database that we need for our CRM system is for the tasks. Create a new full-page database, set some icon, and add properties like date and status. Add a relation property to the client's database, limit it to one page, and toggle the two-way relation. Add a new template for the tasks with an icon and set it as default. Now let's update our client template. What we want to do is display all tasks and interactions related to the client when we select the client from our main view. Go to the client's database, select the template, and press Edit. Add a table view for tasks and interactions databases, select the properties you want to see, and configure the filter so it only shows tasks and interactions related to the selected client. Configure as many views as you need. For example, you can add another board view and display tasks by status. Now, let's visualize our client's database and create a sales pipeline using the board view. Select the board database view, link it to the client's database, and configure the properties you want to see. Use grouping by status, rearrange the order of the columns, and start adding data and testing the CRM. Make sure all properties that you want to see are visible and that tasks and interactions are shown correctly based on the selected client. So yeah, this is how you can build a CRM system in Notion and manage clients and related details. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content related to Notion. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.